Welcome back to Billionaires Know-How, the channel dedicated to dissecting the strategies and mindsets of the world's wealthiest individuals. Today, we're analyzing the business success of Stephen Schwarzman, the co-founder, chairman, and CEO of Blackstone, one of the world's largest alternative investment firms. We'll explore how he built this financial powerhouse, the key investments he made, and extract actionable lessons that you, the average person, can apply to your own life and career, particularly if you are interested in finance, investment, or leadership. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next billionaire deconstruction. From humble beginnings to financial titan, Schwarzman's early years and the rise of a dealmaker. Stephen Schwarzman's journey to becoming a financial titan began with a solid educational foundation. He graduated from Yale University and later earned an MBA from Harvard Business School. His early career included stints at Lehman Brothers, where he honed his skills in mergers and acquisitions. Recognizing an opportunity to create a new type of investment firm, Schwarzman co-founded Blackstone in 1985 with Peter Peterson. The initial vision was to provide mergers and acquisitions advisory services, but Blackstone quickly expanded into private equity and other alternative investments, key investments, and strategic decisions. Schwarzman's success is rooted in his leadership and the growth of Blackstone. Building Blackstone. Schwarzman's primary achievement is building Blackstone into a global powerhouse in alternative investments. The firm manages hundreds of billions of dollars in assets across various asset classes, including private equity, real estate, hedge fund solutions, and credit. Focus on alternative investments. Blackstone has been a pioneer in the alternative investment space, recognizing the potential for higher returns in less traditional asset classes. This focus has allowed the firm to generate significant profits for its investors and itself. Strategic acquisitions. Blackstone has grown through strategic acquisitions, expanding its capabilities and entering new markets. These acquisitions have allowed the firm to offer a broader range of investment products and services. Risk management. Schwarzman has emphasized the importance of risk management at Blackstone. The firm employs sophisticated risk management techniques to protect its investors' capital. Global expansion. Blackstone has expanded its operations globally, establishing offices in major financial centers around the world. This global presence allows the firm to access investment opportunities in diverse markets. Strong investor relationships. Schwarzman has cultivated strong relationships with institutional investors, including pension funds, endowments, and sovereign wealth funds. These investors provide the capital that Blackstone uses to make its investments. Philanthropy. Schwarzman has also been active in philanthropy, donating to educational and cultural institutions, replicating the blueprint. Lessons for the average person, especially finance-minded individuals. While managing billions of dollars may be out of reach for most, Schwarzman's principles offer valuable lessons. Seek strong education, invest in your education, and develop expertise in your chosen field. A solid educational foundation can provide a competitive advantage. Develop financial acumen. Master the fundamentals of finance and investment. Learn how to analyze financial statements, assess risk, and value assets. Identify opportunities. Be alert to changes in the economic landscape and identify emerging opportunities. Look for inefficiencies and unmet needs. Take calculated risks. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. However, always assess the potential downsides and develop strategies to mitigate them. Build a strong network. Cultivate relationships with key stakeholders, including mentors, advisors, and potential investors. Networking can provide access to valuable resources and opportunities. Focus on long-term value. Don't get caught up in short-term gains. Focus on building long-term value through sustainable investments and business practices. Prioritize risk management. Always prioritize risk management. Protect your capital and avoid taking unnecessary risks. Embrace innovation. Be open to new ideas and technologies. Embrace innovation to stay ahead of the curve. Lead with integrity. Lead with integrity and build a reputation for honesty and ethical behavior. Stephen Schwarzman's journey demonstrates that with a strong education, financial acumen, and a focus on innovation and risk management, it's possible to build a successful career in finance and investment. By seeking strong education, developing financial acumen, identifying opportunities, taking calculated risks, building a strong network, and leading with integrity, you can significantly increase your chances of success in your chosen field. That's all for today's episode of Billionaires Know How. If you found these insights helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future episodes where we dissect the success stories of other influential figures and show you how you can implement them to become the best version of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, stay inspired.